I'm gonna review their burger hacks sa Kuya Banjo's Delight. This is their bun. This was made from scratch by Kuya Banjo himself sa ilahang house. You are assured of quality ingredients. If you can see, there's a mixture of two kinds of seeds. Actually black and white. Sesame man guro ni, or I'm not sure if they also used flax. Muna, di man ko mag-active listening. But anyway, this is the top bun. And then inside the burger, you can see that there's tomato. Ako na nigi-divide og 3 kay akong gito nga sa kumbana o sa ko anak. And they have a slice of cheese and the lettuce to sa kumbana, but it's also included sa imong natilawan no, naa siya aslom, na siya pickles. Wala. So ilang patty, if you can see, it's very thick. You can choose the regular patty na meat lang, and you can also opt to choose additional 5 pesos na patty, which is already nanay cheese daan. So cheesy patty nila, ang ilahang meat is already with cheese. Lahi na po na ilahang cheese na ginapatong sa patty. Included yun na silang burger hacks. But then again, additional 5 pesos lang yun if you want the meat itself, the patty itself, to have cheese. So ako na sila one, guys. Katong, by the way, ilahang longganisa sandwich. Katong Vietnamese sandwich nila is very yummy. Na spicy kick. And if I remember it right, ang ilahang dressing is gluten-free. I promise them every time I'm gonna taste their product, I'm gonna let them know my feedback. So lami ang ilang burger hacks. There's also that a bit of spicy kick, and also nahurot ng actually gamay na lang kayo nabilin sa ilahang fig pie. Manaling nabilin. Remember, murang around 15 to 20 pieces among giapod-apod. We share the grace to our friends. And lami jud ang ilang fig pie way atik. Dili siya same sa uban bakeries. You can taste the rich flavor. Here you go, flaxseed niyang topping nila, and their fig pie has malunggay. So you can assure na healthy good siya na snack. And they're selling it for 105 pesos per box. Dili siya per slice. Okay? So muna siya, guys. Kumusta ang imong feedback nun sa burger? Lamian na ka? Ikaw, lab? Good. Okay. So, my family approves of the burger hacks. Thank you so much once again, Kuya Banjo's Delight, for sharing your graces. Siya. If I were to choose between the Vietnamese sandwich and the burger hacks, I'd prefer the burger hacks because I really love chorizo to be paired with rice. Moy ako naandan. And they're saying that the Vietnamese sandwich, banh mi ba to siya, is a staple food in Vietnam. So it's kind of new to our taste buds. So mo to siya, more napaba ko dapat i-review the croissant. I need to taste that one maybe tomorrow. So additional video tomorrow, guys. See you soon.